welcome to How to Mechanic. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more content. In this tutorial we will test the clutch to determine if it needs replacing. You can perform a couple of checks on the gearbox. Start the engine, push the clutch pedal to the floor, then select first gear. Making sure the handbrake is on, as we don't want the car to run away. We control the car, not the car controlling us. We are looking for the biting point, so ease off the pedal until you feel the biting point, and if nothing happens, more than likely you need a new clutch. Another check you can do is, same as before, select 5th gear. As you ease off the pedal, the car should stall. If this happens, then the clutch doesn't need replacing. Even on a test drive, you may find when you select gear, you have very little response, lack of acceleration. And that's it. Thanks for watching.